I've noticed that after introducing the remote speed control function of our SDVC31 series in previous issues, many customers still complained about how to use it. This time, I will use our SDVC34 series to systematically demonstrate 3 main methods for remote speed control. The first method uses potentiometer control. Connect a 1K potentiometer to the controller according to the wiring diagram above. Then, rotate the potentiometer knob to adjust the controller's speed. The second method uses a PLC to simulate 4-20 mA remote speed control. This requires a multi-function signal generator to simulate the PLC control value current. First, connect the current and ground wires in parallel according to the wiring diagram above, then connect them to ports A1 and A2 on the controller, with the ground wire connected to port A4. Then, adjust the current value on the multi-function signal generator within the 4-20 mA range to change the controller's speed. The third method is remote speed control via a 15V PLC analog signal voltage. This still requires my multi-function signal generator to simulate PLC control. Simply connect the voltage and ground wires to the controller's A2 and A4 ports. Then, adjust the voltage on the multi-function signal generator within a range of 15V to change the controller's speed. These are the 3 main ways to implement remote speed control for the SDVC34 series. Isn't it simple? For those of you who are watching, if you have any questions about controller usage, please comment on me. I will release a separate video explaining this, and you'll also have a chance to win a wonderful gift. See you next time.